Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing well and having a great day. This is Z Moto again. This is Bilal, aka Z Moto S. I just wanted to bring you guys another great video about my motorcycle, about my Yamaha R6 2020 Raven Black Edition. So I just wanted to make this video about my aftermarket exhaust. I'm really looking forward to showing you guys this bike. Looks amazing, and this is just the beginning of the bike build series, how I'm trying to build this bike and what I'm trying to do with this bike. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. It's gonna help me out a lot too, so I can get exposed to other bikers and to the biker community, so they know that there is another biker in town. Just kidding. But yeah, so I just made this video. I'm just trying to show you guys the build series and what I'm planning to do and what my plans are. I also ordered a moto vlogging setup. I got it, I fixed it, and I tried to put it on my helmet, but the tape was not sticking, so I have to put a 3mm, and I'm still new to it because it's kind of hard to do it. Like it falls, like I have to fix it, but eventually it's gonna get better. But yeah, so that's what I have on that part. Sorry, there's just a lot of cars walking by, passing by. I'm just like getting distracted. But yeah, so my goal is to start motor vlogging, just talk about life, different things. But for now, that's what we have, so stay tuned for a cool start. Okay. Just make sure it's neutral. So I don't want to wake my neighbors up. They're gonna probably hate me for doing this, but yeah, so that is the sound of this Yamaha R6 2020 Yamaha R6 Raven Edition. You know, something that I just let's see, what did I notice here? Forgot. I think this might be a limited edition, or a few of these might be made. I'm going to be double checking on that. But yes, because the reason why I say that, I've not seen many of these, the Raven editions, on the road. Comment below if they are limited edition or there's a lot of them. Thank you very much for watching this video again. I really appreciate it. I really do, and I mean it. Thank you very much for liking this video. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. I'm excited about this build series. I'm really excited about this bike. This is my personal dream bike. That's something that I wanted for a very long time, and I finally made it happen, and nothing beats that feeling. Trust me. Those who are motorcycle lovers, and especially motorcycle sports bikes, they know what I'm talking about, because nothing beats this feeling. The camera doesn't do any justice as far as how this exhaust sounds like, but it sounds really nice for now. But I have another project next that I will be doing, which is getting another exhaust, but I'm gonna enjoy this exhaust for a little bit, and then we're gonna move on to the other exhaust. So like I said, my next thing to do is getting the fender eliminator and then the black windshield. So as soon as I order them, I get them, I'll make that happen. Another one is doing motor vlogging. So I will be going on rides and just doing motor vlogging, talking about different things, life, motivation, finance, work, just different things. So just try to make it more interesting so you guys stay tuned and you guys like it. And yeah, so we just welcome to Z Moto, welcome to my channel again. I really appreciate it.
Thanks again. That's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to tell you guys what I'm up to. Like I said, I've been busy with work. That's why I've been uploading. But that's one of the videos that I really wanted to do. And there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give it a like, subscribe, and thank you again for watching. Have a great day. Take care.